Today I'm gonna show you how to make some crack cocaine. And just kidding, it's just barbecue chicken. Here's everything you're gonna need though, because yeah. I do this, but you don't have to. Go ahead and sprinkle a little olive oil on there, you know what I mean? Before you put your seasonings, so that way it just, sticks a little better. And here goes some elevator music so you don't get bored when I'm not talking, okay?
Yo, whenever they're like, oh, white girls don't season their stuff, blah, 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 blah. It's fucking true, fam.
My snack.
There's barely anything
my snack with you. This is my liking, not yours.
Babe, there's barely anything on here, Sabrina.
That's the way I like it.
When you taste and it's missing salt and pepper, my guys.
You ain't starving, look at you.
Remember.
You ain't starving, motherfucker. You still eat my shit, don't you?
This is baby weight. I've told you that.
Is this really the secret ingredient for the Krabby Patty?
Of course not. And Plankton will probably figure that out.
So I definitely put too much, but it's okay. And you see right here, what I'm doing? Tapping all them little juices out. I need you to do that. It's very important. So right here, you're gonna put the lid on and then you're gonna cook it, okay? And then it's gonna look like this. And then you're gonna shred it, okay? Yep, you're gonna wanna stir it. Make sure all of the chicken is nice and covered in the sauce. And then the final product.